Use on very low heat. Very low heat. Let's see. 22 karat gold trim. Is that 22 karat gold? A little bit of rust there. Flameproof glass, 1 quart, serving sauce dish. Warms and serves, sauces, soups, gravy, vegetables, hot cereals. 22 karat gold trim, gold stone collar. Oh, I'm confused. And cover, graduated 1 quart size. Food tastes better in glass. No metallic taste or borrowed flavors ever. Serve second helpings easily. With glamour. Hot cereals. Hot cereals! That must mean oatmeal! It's really pretty. Snowflakes! Snowflakes. It's pretty. It's pretty. Flame-proof glass. Use on very low heat. How am I supposed to cook oatmeal on very low heat? We're gonna try tomorrow morning.
Come on, man. No! That's better. Come on! That's not right. It's Christmas. We're drinking. Man! Hormel Meatloaf. Christmas Hormel Meatloaf in a Corning Ware MC-1. Oh, Bob Evans. Let's see how the Hormel tastes in an MC-1. With extra topping, ketchup and dark carob syrup. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah. The day started great. It's Christmas. We had some presents. I spoke to my brother this morning. Somehow I got involved in Broadchurch on Tubi. The story of a murder of an 11-year-old boy on Christmas Day. I'm just saying. I'm out of one, man. Man. Hey. I usually make my own mashed potatoes. Bob Evans are just a little too soft, but I like them. Corning Ware MC-1. Thanks for joining me this Christmas 2023. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? We are out of wine. Thanks for watching.
Getting a couple of bubbles there. Slow going. I'm putting him in. I'm out of patience. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Slow cooked oatmeal. Cinnamon. Douglas flameproof glass? The difference between this and Visions is, with Visions, I could just pour water in there now, rinse it out. If I did that right now with this glass, it might pop. Never went above 3. I wanted to go 4, but it said very low heat. You just gotta be patient. Hey! Oh yeah. You gotta have cranberries. Well, that was fun. Merry Christmas! Thanks for joining me this Tuesday, the day after Christmas. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. More almonds.